We've got our LVS-34 Garmin forward-facing sonar, and we're going to connect it right here to the shaft with the new zeroed-in mount from Beatdown. So what this is going to take the place of your traditional mount that would be at a 3 degree off the side, and it's going to turn it at a 0 degree. What that's going to do is take your cone in the water column and straighten it up. It's going to crisp up your screen. It's also going to make it easier to be able to tell when your bait and your fish are in the same general area because they're going to be in the same cone, because it is straight. If it's off to the side and one's not in it, you're both not in line with one another. So the zeroed in does that. When you open this up, you're going to notice that anodized, super nice, everything like Beatdown, and it's got a set of engraved numbers right here on it. What that's going to do is allow you to have really customizable settings, because when you put this on your shaft and you want to move it, you got 5 degree increments. It's got a little catch in it like that right there. You can see it. Anyways, it's got an angle right here on the back to where it's going to tell you 100% where you started. You can move it all the way around 360 degrees, use any of the numbers you want. Also, right here you can see that when we put our forward-facing sonar to it, the LVS-34, it's going to have all these numbers on here. So when you have your line on top of your transducer, you can put it on whichever number that you like, depending on whether you're in perspective mode, whether you're in forward mode. And then to go to perspective mode, it's toolless. You just pull it out and turn it. Really, really nice as far as just customizable. Use it for forward and perspective. And once you put this bad boy on there, it is there. It's also going to come with an LVS-34 knob. So that way it's a replacement knob, anodized aluminum, very stout. But you're going to put your 34 transducer on with that. We're going to put it on the shaft right here, the Garmin Force Pro, and get it set up. Okay, as you're getting ready to mount your zeroed in mount to the shaft of your trolling motor, and whichever brand trolling motor you have, it comes with a couple of different rubber more or less spacers, but what you're going to do is put this around the shaft and then mount your bases to it. And all it's going to do is allow it to not move on the shaft. And also, some of the shafts have a little bit of discrepancy as far as in the diameters, so you're going to have 2 different thicknesses here to choose from. Just pick out whichever one fits your application the best. That way it's good and snug and tight, and then it won't move around the shaft. All right, we're just going to snug that up there to where that way we can see exactly where we want to have it. Be able to move it a little bit right here on the shaft. All right, that looks pretty close as far as right down the shaft, 0. All right, now we've got our 0 degree mount, the base and everything where we want it. You know, I like to have mine a little bit off center to the right just to fuzz, because I'm right-handed. A lot of times if I make a sidearm cast or whatever it is, it doesn't quite have to go cross center to get in the left side of the beam. So I like it just to cheat it just a fuzz to the right. But all we're going to do now is take our LVS-34 knob, put it right in there wherever we want it, and just about that simple. I don't know what that took, 5 minutes to put that on, have it where we want it. Now we're ready to clean this up, put our K-wax on the shaft. But right there, you're going to be able to have a 0 degree mount on the shaft as well as out in front. Now remember, you got this line back here. You can cheat it. You turn around, move your knob if you're a guy that likes to run it out here in front of you. And then also, about that fast, we can change it to perspective, just like that, and have perspective mode. But that's it in a nutshell, the zeroed in mount from Beatdown.